From the Tennessee Valley Weather Channel, this is your afternoon update.
Good Tuesday afternoon. I'm meteorologist Kelli Rosson here with a look at your forecast. We've had some stubborn cloud cover all morning, and that will stay with us for much of the afternoon. We will eventually start to see that cloud cover break up, but until then, we are a little bit gloomy out there. Hopefully the sunshine does come back soon, though, because it is quite gloomy out there. I think we're going to be a little bit cloudier than what Futurecast is showing, but again, the trend is that we are going to start to see those clouds eventually break up. Temperatures in the low to mid 30s for this afternoon, not quite as windy as yesterday, a northerly wind blowing about 5 to 10 miles an hour. And for tonight, we can expect a mostly clear to partly cloudy sky. Temperatures getting down, I think, a little bit cooler than what Futurecast is showing. I'm talking upper teens to lower 20s, so it is going to be a very chilly overnight for tonight, and to start your day tomorrow. You will need to bundle up just like you have been over the last few days, but more sunshine expected by your Wednesday afternoon. Temperatures, though, remain in the mid 30s, so that sun is not really going to warm things up, at least any sort of significant warming by any means. We stay pretty chilly, but hopefully above freezing by the time we get to Wednesday. And then for your Thursday, we start things off in the teens and 20s, and then we will eventually warm up again to the mid 30s. But Thursday is when we are going to keep our eyes to the south and west. That is our next weather maker in the form of a winter weather maker for us here in the Tennessee Valley. So we're going to continue to watch that from the west as it moves closer to us Thursday night into Friday. By Friday morning, the very early hours of Friday, we will be expecting widespread snow all across the Tennessee Valley. By the afternoon on Friday, we may see a few raindrops as temperatures fluctuate to just above freezing, especially into parts of North Alabama. And that will continue to move throughout, again, Friday morning, midday, into the afternoon, eventually tapering off by the evening. So here's a look at our thoughts from us in the Tennessee Valley Weather Center. We are thinking pretty much all snow for southern middle Tennessee, at least the counties that we cover, and close to the state line into parts of North Alabama. We're talking all snow, maybe a little bit of sleet mixed in. And then for you folks, we'll call it about the Tennessee River and south. We're looking at snow to start with a wintry mix, as in some sleet, some rain for the afternoon, and we will continue to watch temperatures very closely. The good news is it doesn't look like we are going to be seeing any sort of accumulating ice or freezing rain for us here in southern middle Tennessee, North Alabama, or northeast Mississippi. That looks to stay well to our south, but again, accumulations in terms of snowfall are likely with this winter storm that is going to be coming through Friday here in the Tennessee Valley, as well as travel impacts are going to be likely. You may be parked at where you spend your Thursday night for a few days. Again, we're going to be continuing to watch totals and watch the temperature profiles very closely, as we do cover a pretty decent area from north to south. So we will continue to keep you guys updated, of course, as we fine-tune this forecast. But again, we are looking at accumulations being likely, and we are looking at travel impacts being likely on Friday, and then temperatures kind of stay in the 30s for the weekend. So during the afternoons, we may see some melting, but then we'll see refreezing during the overnight. So that's another thing to keep in mind heading into the weekend as well. Here's a look at your hometown forecast for this afternoon. Temperatures, again, close to freezing at warmest for southern middle Tennessee, 32 to 33 degrees. Maybe a few peaks of sunshine by the late afternoon. Otherwise, we'll hold on to that stubborn cloud cover. Same story for North Alabama, northeast Mississippi. Temperatures maybe a few degrees warmer into the mid 30s. Again, at warmest, going to still be quite a chilly day here in the Tennessee Valley. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast. Again, we stay dry for the next few days with cloud cover sticking around, but a little bit sunnier by the time we get to your Wednesday. Temperatures, though, stay in the mid 30s. So we have cold air in place leading up to Friday's wintry storm expected here in the Tennessee Valley. Again, we will continue to keep you guys updated, but yes, we are looking at accumulations and we are looking at travel impacts all throughout the Tennessee Valley viewing area, with maybe a few lingering flurries for your Saturday as temperatures just get above freezing, and then we start to slightly warm up towards the second half of the weekend, but low temperatures each night still get below freezing, so we will watch for refreezing on the roads and any other locations that may cause some trouble. That's a look at your local weather forecast. Fred is back this evening with more weather updates.